Linking your bank account to Webster Bank is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure a smooth connection between your accounts. Step 1. Gather your information. Before starting the linking process, collect necessary information such as your bank account number, routing number, and any identification details required for verification. Step 2. Log into your Webster Bank account. Visit the Webster Bank website or open a mobile app. Enter your username and password to log into your account. If you don't have an account, you will need to create one first. Step 3. Navigate to account settings. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 4. Enter your bank account details. In the linking section, input the details of the bank account you wish to link. This includes the account number and routing number. Double check for accuracy to avoid any issues. Step 5. Confirm and verify. After entering your information, submit the request. You may need to verify your identity through a code sent to your phone or email. Follow the prompts to complete the verification process. Once completed, your bank account should be successfully linked to Webster Bank. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance.